The secret to real wealth isn't what you think. Chapter 9. Wealth is what you don't see. The hidden power of financial discipline. When you see someone driving a luxury car, wearing designer clothes, or living in a huge mansion, do you assume they are rich? Like, share, and subscribe for more. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video to support the channel, subscribe for more insights on money, investing, and financial psychology. Share this with someone who needs to hear this. Here's the truth. Wealth isn't about what you see, it's about what you don't see. In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel explains that real wealth is hidden because it comes from savings, investments, and financial security, at flashy spending. If you want to build true wealth, you need to understand this powerful concept. Let's break it down. The illusion of visible wealth. Most people assume that big houses, luxury cars, and designer brands mean someone is wealthy. But in reality, spending money is the opposite of wealth building. True wealth is not about how much you spend, it is about how much you save and invest. Every dollar spent on luxury items is a dollar that could have been saved or invested. Many people who look rich are actually living paycheck to paycheck. Wealthy people often live modestly because they prioritize financial security over status. Lesson: just because someone looks rich doesn't mean they are. True wealth is often invisible. Key takeaways. How to build hidden wealth. 1. Wealth is built in private. It's not displayed in public. The most successful investors don't show off their wealth, they quietly grow it. Instead of focusing on looking rich, focus on building financial security. To the power of saving and investing. The secret to wealth isn't just earning more, is keeping more. The more you save and invest, the more financial freedom you gain. Compounding works best when you let your money grow over time. 3. Avoid the trap of lifestyle inflation. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you should spend more. Many people increase their spending as their income grows, keeping them trapped in the same cycle. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle, upgrade your financial future. For freedom over flexing, do you want to impress people with a luxury car today, or have the freedom to retire early? True wealth isn't about showing off, it's about having options, security, and control over your life. Lesson: don't spend money to impress people who don't care. Invest it to secure your future. 5. Learn from the richest people in the world. Many billionaires live below their means because they understand the value of money. Warren Buffett still lives in his modest home. Mark Zuckerberg wears simple t-shirts, and many self-made millionaires drive ordinary cars. They don't waste money on looking rich, they focus on staying rich. Final thought. What you don't see is what builds wealth at the end of the day. Wealth isn't about what you buy, it's about what you keep. Would you rather look rich today or be truly wealthy in the future? Let me know in the comments.